Hello, welcome to JoJo's farm. Hope everyone is doing well. I'm going to give you updates on from our last video. Like I always say, there is a progress. We keep going up. We are the roofing at the moment and putting down the wooden structure for the roofing is what we are doing now. Thank God we've been able to put all the wooden on top of the block work. It looks good. So far so good. We can't complain. Work is in progress and we are very excited. We are very excited. The improvement or where we are so far so good. One thing that I want to tell you all is that, honestly speaking, whenever you want to undertake such a project, you have to prepare very well. You have to prepare very well because it is really financially draining. When we were about to start, even though I had a budget, but I didn't know it was gonna go this far, this hard, this expensive, but it is worth it. I know it is worth, where we are going so far. As you all can see, the structure is up and it's almost done. Today is the 1st of August, and we believe that by the end of August, everything will be done. We really, taking it step by step. We are not in a rush, even though we want it as soon as possible, but we are taking our time because our site or project manager, he also work for the government and he has his own schedule, but he's doing everything possible that everything will be under control. He's balancing his work schedule and this schedule, and he's doing it so well that everything is moving on well. We did talk about extending or adding 2 more pens to this, which hasn't started yet, but hopefully after the roofing is done, they're gonna extend it. And right now, what we see right now is 10 pens, and we're gonna add 2 larger ones that we don't need to do any more projects so far as the piggeries or the pigs are in the pens. So we wanna do everything before we will bring them here. And after this, we have to have a water tank or water reservoir for the pigs. We're trying to do everything professionally so that when you go in there or you see what we've put in together so far, you realize that it's very hygienic and very good for the piggery. So far so good. no issues, no problem. Weather-wise, the weather has been very favorable this past week, and we haven't had any issues with the weather, and we kept going. As we are moving on, we are making arrangements for the gate for the piggery, the pen, and we believe that in our next video we're gonna get all those stuffs ready or fixed before we start the plastering work, because after the roofing is gonna be the concrete. Then after the concrete, you put down the plastering work. It is not easy. Like I said, whatever you put your hands doing, please believe in the Lord and trust yourself. If you have a vision, keep it up. Keep your vision, keep your head up, and keep moving, and it shall surely come to pass. We thank God that we are really focused on what we are doing, and at the end it's gonna be very, very successful. Very successful. Nowadays, it is very important that you look for a second job, a second investment, something that will bring you something little for the future. And we decided to go into this. We've tried so many things, and now we decided to settle on this thing. Yes, it is very important. At least it will keep us busy. Man, we never thought we could get this far so soon. But thank God, here we are. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Share so that others can also take a look at it. Maybe you don't know who is looking forward for something like this to encourage him or her. You don't know who might be looking for somebody to inspire him with this. That is why we have all these things going on. It is very important that somebody will be inspired out there. Yes, be inspired. And be expectant for the next level and next updates next week. Thank you all for watching. Like it, subscribe, share. Enjoy your week, and God richly bless you all. You have a good one. Bye.